Josh and Kay back today for another review just for you. Today I'm going to be doing the pizza we got from the store. I don't know what the brand name is, but it's a chicken bacon ranch. And this is, if I can not drop it, that's what it looks like. And instead of coffee, I ended up having milk. Just because, yeah, didn't feel like having a laxative today for while having it. So here we go. I'm gonna try it out for you guys. Feel better?
Huh?
Feel better?
Oh yeah. I let me tell you. That was getting pretty rank. Pretty rank.
Give it an A+. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, God bless and keep those eagles flying.